Morning, guys. Beautiful day in Florida. We got some nice cold weather, and today I'm gonna start digging into this thing right here. So this is a JDM F18B. What I currently have in the CRX is a JDM F23A. This block casting should be pretty similar to that casting. The only difference would be the crankshaft stroke and the cylinder bore. This would be 81.5 millimeter stroke with a 147 millimeter long rod. Piston bore would be 85 millimeter. Or F23 block would be a 97 millimeter stroke with a 141 millimeter long rod and an 86 millimeter bore piston. That is exactly like an F23. Pretty decent sized ports. Alright, so header's off, got the distributor off, intake manifold's off. So I'm gonna pull the timing covers now so I can get ready to pull the head off. And so here we have a closer look at the cylinder head with the valve cover removed. So yeah, it's roller rockers. It has VTEC on the intake side, no VTEC on the exhaust side. Alright, so here we got a closer look at the timing belt components. You got your balance shafts. This part number right here, that is the same as F23. So I'm pretty convinced this bottom end is pretty much the same casting as an F23. I will be deleting this. I'm gonna buy a KS tune kit. I'm gonna buy the F23 kit and see how that goes. If it's not the F23, maybe it might be the F20B, but I doubt it. Alright, so I got the cylinder head off. Here are the pistons. Very interesting. It's kind of got a similar design to the F23, the JDM F23 pistons with the little dish and the dome combination. And the spark plug dimple is a lot bigger than on the F23 bottom end, if you guys remember that video. Here's the cylinder head. So the dome itself does poke above the deck height. So sleeves are iron. Got a few marks there. Nothing too crazy. I think a fresh hone and we can send this thing back together. There's no signs of valve contact with the pistons. Got some carbon buildup, but that's pretty normal. I'd say pretty minimal. This is where I'm gonna call it for today. Got to see the pistons, what those look like. I'll work on another video of tearing down the bottom end later on, and we'll get to see what the main girdle looks like, and yeah, go from there. There she is, F18B, soon to be a G18.